Hey everyone, it's Sam and I'm back to open box number 11 in the Advent. Very easy now to find everything because there's not much left. There we go, number 11. And inside this one you have a very sharp piercing tool or pokey tool. It's got a little protector on the end here. I would probably say keep it in that. I think I'm going to try and remember to keep it in that because when I put it in my pot each time it probably will blunt. It does end up like contributing to it getting blunt, and these don't last forever because you're also piercing them through like metal. If you've got any die cuts and you're popping the cardstock out, sometimes they will catch on the side. That's all going to slowly start to blunt them, and I've gone through, you know, quite a few of these piercing tools, so it's handy to have this one. So I hope you get good use out of it. That is the last of the tools in the Advent. So again, I do hope that there's been a nice variety there and things that you're going to be able to use and enjoy. And it will be the last time I now say this, but I'll see you again tomorrow for day number 12.